Welcome to Cyber Theo. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a smart garage door opener. This is a great way to add convenience and security to your home. Choose the right smart garage door opener. Select a smart garage door opener that is compatible with your existing garage door system. Popular options include Chamberlain MyQ, NEXX Garage, and Genie Aladdin Connect. Gather necessary tools and materials. You'll need a screwdriver, a ladder, the smart garage door opener kit, and your smartphone or tablet. Install the smart garage door opener. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to install the device. This typically involves mounting the opener near your existing garage door motor and connecting it to your home Wi-Fi network. Download the app. Download the corresponding app for your smart garage door opener from the App Store or Google Play Store. Connect the opener to the app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your garage door opener with the app. This usually involves scanning a QR code on the device or entering a setup code. Configure settings. Customize your settings within the app, such as setting up alerts for when the garage door is opened or closed, creating schedules, and sharing access with family members. Test the system. Ensure everything is working correctly by testing the open and close functions from the app. Make any necessary adjustments as guided by the app or user manual. That's it. You've successfully set up your smart garage door opener. Enjoy the convenience and peace of mind it brings. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.